Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable Android touch sound in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of do not disturb. Press on this. Now go to alarm and others. You can see here the option of touch sounds. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable Android touch sound in Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.